Good morning, everyone. The topic for today is assessment tools. So, when we used to conduct our physical classes before this coronavirus pandemic, we used to have a face to face interaction with our students. We used different types of assessment techniques while we were in our classes, like, say, we used to engage them in conceptual tests or in knowledge surveys. We used to conduct oral presentations or poster presentations. We use the concept of diagrammatical techniques and various other strategies we used while conducting assessments in the physical classroom. But since this coronavirus pandemic, we are not able to conduct those assessment on a fruitful manner. Most of the assessment is being conducted online, and that too via an online test that is generally being conducted as a multiple choice question test. Or if you are going to conduct it as a written test, then there are chances that the students can copy from the internet or from some other source. So the assessment right now in the online learning is not going well, I think. But since the authorities and the institutions are asking us to assess our students on a regular basis, so this assessment criteria becomes really quite tricky. That how can we assess our students when we are teaching online, when we can't see anyone what they are doing? They can play tricks on computers, and they can just score full marks out of full. So for that case, I think this the students need to be engaged and they should feel interested during the assessment. So today I'm going to discuss about two such assessment tools. Well, there are thousands of tools, and a lot of tools out of them are really interesting. I would name a few so that you can check them out also. But due to limitations, so we have to cover only two tools here. So we will be covering two tools here for assessment. The one is Quizizz, and second one is Kahoot. All right, so let's first begin with Quizizz. So to search for Quizizz, just type Quizizz, Quizizz. This is the spelling. Quizizz. You just need to click on this and in the search box, and here you can see the first link come up: join a game. So what this quizzes does is it creates game type quizzes, so the students can participate and enjoy themselves while while having or attending the assessment criteria. So let's see how it works. So when we are going to this website, it will ask you for signing up, and I have already signed up here as a with my email ID. So you can set up. So when you will visit first time on this page, it will ask you to sign up. Uh, then you can enter your details and your institutional details so that you can sign up, and you will be directed here. All right. So here you can see these, as the name suggests, quizzes. It provides only quizzes. So here you can get enormous amount of quizzes based on enormous areas, say social studies, world languages, science, mathematics, computer science, any field you say, and there are lots and lots of quizzes available, already inbuilt quizzes. Apart from that, you can also create your own quiz. All right. So we will discuss all these features in just a while, moving one by one. All right. So this first icon you can see here is the enter a game code or and join. So this icon, this is for the students. So when you will provide a game code to them, they would be able to join and they would be playing that game. That game is basically a quiz which will be gamified so that the students do not lose interest and they enjoy while conducting the quiz.